Hey, how you doing? Was driving by a spot over here in my neighborhood and noticed some of the damage from the storm last night, and thought I would go ahead and film it, check it out, and get it on film, let you all see what I seen. Anyway, I'm gonna get out here and check it out. It's right over here. Check that out. That's a big giant tree. This is crazy. Starting to rain a little bit. That poor truck. Not just the truck. There's a power line down. That was a huge tree. Pretty much just flattened that truck. I'd say they're both totaled. Crazy looking. Yeah, that's something else. That's part of the damage from that storm last night. There was some really bad winds last night. Apparently that tree was mostly dead, looks like. I just wanted to film this. It's crazy. Look at that. That thing was huge. Here's where it came from. Wow. Well, I just wanted to get that on film because let you all see what I've seen. But just got my truck cleaned up. It was a mess. Cleaned it all out on the inside and out. It looks a lot better now. Got me some new car spray or new car smell in here, so it smells like a new car too. So, but I just wanted to throw a short video out on some of the storm damage that I seen in my neighborhood, actually. And I don't know, I think that's going to be about it. I just wanted to put a short video out on it. I'll talk to y'all later. Well, if you would, throw a thumbs up on here, and if you're new here and you're just seeing this and seeing my channel, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. And trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, that'd be awesome. I appreciate y'all. Have a good day. Peace.